Good morning, students. In this video I'm going to discuss the holiday homework that will be given to you when your holiday starts. Okay, so whatever the things that I've given in the holiday homework, let me explain you that so that you don't face any problem and you don't have any queries about that. So please listen to this video. Whatever the points I am telling you, everything will be uh, told in this video so that you don't face any problem. Okay, so listen this video today also, and whenever you start doing your whole day homework, that time also you listen this video. Okay, the first question that I have given, that is related to your political map of India, and in that you have to show all the states with their capitals. I am not talking about the union territories in this map. I am talking about only the states with their capital. It means in this map you will be showing only the states and the capital. Okay, like this is the political map of India. Here what you have to show? Only these states. Yes, these are the states, name of the states are given, and but you have to write their capital also. Clear? In another map I have given you to write about the neighboring countries. You all are knowing about the neighboring countries: Pakistan, China, Myanmar. Yes, all those countries that you have already read in the previous classes, you will be writing about those countries. Clear? Then in the next question I have asked you to write about the union territories. Okay, in that you will be only writing the union territories. Now listen, in this map what you will do, you are knowing that now Jammu Kashmir is not a state. It is divided into two. Yes, this one is Ladakh and this is Jammu Kashmir. Yes, but they both are now the union territories. So in that map where you are showing the states, in that map you are not going to mark anything here. Clear? But when you will show the union territory, then you will be marking these two also in that map. Clear? Earlier 7 union territories were there, now 9. All those 9 you are going to mark in that. Mind it, whatever the things I am telling you, you have to do each and every question in the separate map, not in the same map. It means when I am asking you to show the states with their capital, in that you will be showing only the states and capitals. When I am asking you to show the union territories, take another political map. Okay, and in that you will be showing those union territories. When I am asking you to show the neighboring countries, take the separate map and in that show the neighboring countries. Okay, in another question I have asked you to write the water bodies of India. See this one. Take the political map of India and you will be only mentioning these 3 water bodies in that map. It should be done in a single map. Okay, when I am asking about these union territories, this only these things. Each and every map has been shown in the video. Whatever the things you have to do, that is shown in the video. You can pause it whenever you are doing the work. You can pause it and then you can do that work also. You all are knowing how to take the screenshots. Pause the video, take the screenshot, and that will also help you in doing your work. Okay, so this was all about your maps related to India. Now let me tell you, in one map I have given you to show the water bodies in the world map. Take the world map, and in this you will be showing all these oceans. Clear? You will be showing all these oceans. You all are knowing Pacific Ocean here and here, because our earth is round. The both are same. They are joined. They are not the separate one. But when we study on the map, they are opened. Yes, this is shown on the paper. That is why it looks like this. Otherwise, they are joined because the earth is round in shape. Clear? So in this map, take the separate map, world map, and you will be showing the water bodies or the oceans. Now this is the another map in which you have to show all the continents. You will not be doing the same work of ocean also and continents also. No same, not only single map. Take another separate map. Every work should be done on the separate map, and on the top you will be mentioning what you are showing in that. On the top of the map or above map, where your notebook lines are there, wherever the things you can find easily, write whatever the things you are doing on the map, you have to mention in that. Clear? Another thing that I have to show, I've given about the map, about the solar system. What you have to do? Take the newspapers. You all are knowing about the activities. Yes, you always do with the Kalpana ma'am in the school. So you all are knowing how to do this activity. What you have to do? You have to take the newspapers, make the balls, yes, and color them. Then you have to make this solar system. This is the sequence that I have given you, that I have shown you here. Pause it. Whenever you make all those balls, just do it like this. Okay, it should be in a particular sequence. Who gives us the energy? Yes, who is the father of the solar system? Sun. So here sun is there, and that sun is in between. Actually they are moving in the particular orbit. If you are showing in this line, just make sun here. What you will do? Make sun here. That also you can make with the newspaper, and then you have to write this. Clear? In this sequence it should be. They all are getting energy from the sun. No planet has its own light. Yes, they take from the sun. And another work that I have given you, to write the daily weather report, this temperature one. Yes, this temperature report you have to write from the newspaper. It is given in the first page only, first or second page it is given. Here only you have to write this thing. Yes, it is Nyuntam is minimum. If you get English newspaper, it will be already in the English. If you don't have English newspaper, I am just telling you, Nyuntam means minimum. Minimum. Adhiktam is maximum. You are not too small that you don't know, but let me make it again clear. Okay, this you have to write of all these 4 daily. This is daily report. Okay, daily this temperature you have to write. Clear? I think I am clear. I have made all the things. How you have to do? Separately you have to do. Take the all map separately. एक में करोगे ना तो बहुत गंदा गंदा होगा, बहुत मिक्स हो जाएगा और आपको कभी लर्न नहीं होगा. ठीक है, सेपरेटली जिस काम को वर्क को अलग अलग करोगे वो आपके माइंड में एकदम फिक्स हो जाएगा और आपको वो लर्न करना में इजी भी रहेगा, और फिर जब लर्न हो जाएगा तो आपको अच्छा भी लगेगा. ठीक है, तो इस वर्क को करना है और बहुत अच्छे से करना है. आपके मार्क्स भी होंगे. ठीक है, एक्टिविटीज़ के मार्क्स होते हैं ना, तो मैं आपको इन एक्टिविटीज़, मैं कोई सिंगल एक्टिविटी नहीं, ये सारे मिला के सिंगल एक्टिविटी है, मुझे सारा काम अच्छा चाहिए, ठीक है। तो ये सारे मैं आपको इसके मार्क्स इन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग दूंगी। तो आपको क्या करना है, इनको बहुत अच्छे से बनाना है, लर्न करना है, ठीक है। टेक इट एज अ टेस्ट। और ये बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें हैं, ये हमें हमेशा आनी ही चाहिए। क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू।